Hello boys and girls, here we are ready for another phonics video. Please make sure you've got your pen and paper at the ready. We're going to remind ourselves of some learning that we did last week where we have LE as an ending and we have double L. When would I use these two endings? Yes, you're right. Always at the end of a word. And I would use double L if I can hear a short vowel sound. So that's A, E, I, O, U. And the short vowel sound is A, E, A, E, I, O. If I can hear one of those sounds, I would never leave the L on its own. I would put double L. If you can't hear one of those sounds, if the last sound before the L is a consonant, I would put LE. For example, in the word turtle, turtle. The sound before the L is a T, so therefore I have to put an E on the end. I can't leave it just as an L, I have to add that E too. But if I wanted to write the word bell, B-L, bell, the F sound is a short vowel sound and that comes just before the L. So I know that I need to double that last letter. Here there was a consonant, here there was a short vowel. With your pen and paper, could you have a go at writing the word pickle? I got in a bit of a pickle. Have a go. Remember, if you need more time throughout these videos, you can just pause them, but I'm going to carry on. Pickle. P-I-C. Pick. It's got the C and the curly K and the kicking K. Pick. All. Now, next to the all is a K sound. It's not one of our short vowels. It's a consonant, so therefore I know I need to put L-E. Pickle. Could you have a go at writing the word sell? I'm going to sell my pony. Sell. Sell. L. Sell. It's similar to bell in that the E is the short vowel sound, so I know I need to double the L. I can't leave it on its own. Could you have a go at the word circle? Now this is tricky. Think about what it begins with. Circle. Can you draw a circle? It sounds like a S, but we know we can write the S as a K. Whirl and twirl, circle. The sound before the L is a K. It's not a short vowel, it's a consonant, so therefore I have to put an F on the end. We're now going to have a look at our suffix endings. We have est, like in biggest. Sometimes it sounds like an ist, but we write it as an e. We've got ing, the cool dudes. Sometimes we forget to put that G on the end and we just write in, but we know we need all three letters to make the suffix ing. We've got ed, it happened in the past, and er, our digraph. Today I'm going to focus on this one, our ist or est suffix. I've got the word big and I want to turn it into biggest. Now it sounds like an I, but I know already to write it as an E. So I've got biggest, biggest. But We learnt at the start of the week that if I have a short vowel before my last letter in the root word, I can't just add the suffix straight away. What do I need to do? Yes, I need to double the last letter. We looked at that with the suffix ing and the suffix ed. Well, it's exactly the same rule when we're adding the suffix est. We need to double that G. Here's my short vowel, the I. So I need to double it before I add my suffix, biggest. Let's look at the word sad. She was the saddest person in the class. Sad. I can hear a short vowel. So I need to double that D, double the last letter, before I add the suffix est. E-S-T. Saddest. Can you have a go at turning wet into wettest, hot into hottest, thin into thinnest? Think if you can hear a short vowel, you need to double the last letter before you add your suffix. I'm going to put them on my board. So wet, we know that is a short vowel sound. We've got A, E, I, O, U, and we know is one of them. So I need to double that last letter. Double the T, and then I can add my suffix. E-S-T. Wettest. Hot. How do I turn it into hottest? I need to double the T because the is a short vowel sound. So double the T and then I can add my suffix. Hottest. Remember, it will sound like an I in ist, but we know our suffix, we add an E. Thin. How do I turn it into thinnest? I need to double the N. Just tell somebody at home why. Why do I have to double the N before I add my EST? It's because of that short vowel. The short vowel is I before the last letter. So I need to double the N and then I can add my suffix. E-S-T. Thinnest. Have a look at my sentence. They had the hottest. To write hottest, I had to double the T. I had to double the T because in the word hot, there was a short vowel before the last letter, hot. So I doubled the T and then added my suffix. They had the hottest bath. Oh, it's one of our tricky words. Water. We don't say it as water, we say water. They had the hottest bath water. Your challenge with your pen and paper is to now think of your own sentence with the word hottest in it. What could we say? It was the hottest day on record. It was the hottest. What could we say? Have a go at writing your sentences now. Pause the video and then you can have your time to do it. We're going to end our session today by thinking about our tricky words. With your pen and paper, can you remember how to write the word improve? We looked at this word last week. Improve. I'm really trying to improve my writing. We can hear all the sounds in that part. But then we just have to learn the next bit. Improve. improve. It's O-V-E at the end. Just have a look at yours, and does yours look like mine? Improve. Could you write the word people? We looked at this word at the start of the week. People. P-O-P. P-O-P. Ooh. And we know we can't leave the ooh on its own. If we have a P, it's a consonant, we need to add an E. People. And the last word we're going to look at is beautiful. Can you remember the rhyme? Beautiful. Big elephants always understand tiffle. T-I-F-F-U-L. Beautiful. Big elephants always understand tiffle. Fabulous Phonics, thank you very much for joining me. See you soon.